The Student Services Department is one of the most departments at AUIS because we make sure that students just don't graduate with a certificate, because this is not enough for the outside world. This is not enough for the job that you're applying for. What you need when you graduate is leadership skills, communication skills, and you need to be a team player. And these are the skills that you will acquire with our department, because you will be participating in many extracurricular activities. You will be exposed to different cultures and different personalities, in which makes you resilient and more exposed to the world. One of the major events that the Student Services organize is the Career Fair, which is an annual event where the local and international companies come to AUIS and showcase their company to the students. This event helps the students to expand their networks and find more job opportunities. Another event is the Clubs Day, in which the students showcase their club. For example, we have horse riding club, we have art club, we have music club, and so many other different clubs in which students express their hobbies and interests.